going to walk you through how to become a Jumia vendor. Part 7. Now you cannot do this on the app. You have to go to Chrome or whatever browser and you just search for Jumia seller sign up. Once you click on that, you just click sell online Jumia, this, then start selling, then sell on Jumia. Fill this in, select your country, Nigeria, next. Read the instructions to sell on Jumia. A valid mobile phone number and email address. You must have a valid phone number, yes, it's a verification code. And if you want to sell globally on Jumia, just click on this. Now press proceed. You have to set up your account. Now you just go and get the code. You input your phone number and password. Next. Now you put your account type if it's a company or if it's individual. I'm setting up as an individual. My shop name, my location, how did I hear shop name. Now once you're sure, just press yes, I am sure, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.